Hi guys, so today I'm going to be sharing with you my interactive literacy notebook that I've been doing with my daughter. It's for preschool to kindergartners. She is 4 right now, but she started it at 3 years old. And it really helps with letter recognition. I bought it off of Teachers Pay Teachers, and I'll leave a link in the description below. Okay, let's see. So this is the interactive literacy notebook, and I just bought a simple notebook. I did not buy a spiral one. I bought a bounded one because the spiral ones, the pages rip out, whereas the pages won't rip out very easily. You can get these pretty much anywhere. Even the Dollar Tree has some composition notebooks. So I bought these printouts online. I'll leave a link in the description below for relatively cheap. It has all the letters A through Z, and each letter has a page like this. So we have this one's R because that's the next letter my child's going to be working on. And what you do is you pretty much follow the directions. You have them color it, and then this one says draw a rat, and then you have them color in the correct letter, so I can find the letter R, and they'll color in the boxes, and then a letter sort, pictures that start with R, and then the ending picture. What I do is with the pages, I'll have my child do 2 pages a day. So for the letter R, she'll color the R, she'll draw the rat, then she'll cut it out and glue it into the notebook. And then she'll also do the letter find, where she colors in the boxes, and then cuts it out and glues it into the notebook, and that'll be one day. Then the next day, she'll do, sometimes we do all 3. We'll do the pictures, the letter sort, and the coloring the picture and writing the letters, or sometimes we'll just do 1 or 2. It kind of depends on the day and how things are going in our home school. Now this really helps with letter recognition, to get them to learn their letter sounds and the recognition of the letters. But as you can see, you just have the child color in the sheets, and then you have them cut and glue the sheets onto the notebook. My child started this at 3 and is continuing on to 4 years old. And it's very cute because it has the letter and then it has you draw. So you can see their cute little pictures of what they tried to draw. And when you look at their pictures that they drawn, you can keep this as like a keepsake for preschool and or kindergarten, depending on how old your children are. I also like the fact that they have the drawing. This one says pizza. And if you look at the font here, this is done on purpose. It's in all different types of font. So that way that really gets them to be able to recognize the letter in any type of print, which is nice because it doesn't always have that type of print. Okay, so that's the notebook. And my daughter, she really loves doing this. As always, thank you for watching. Bye.